A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning. How are we today? It's Motor Mornings. And I have stripped my head down, which is really good. But obviously, look, there's a lot of carbon deposits on it. With all these carbon deposits on the head, I'm kind of thinking I need to soak it in maybe a bit of diesel or something like that. But I don't have a tray to put it in. But what I do have is an old boat fender. So I'm wondering if I can chop that up, stick it in there with a bit of diesel and just let it soak for a few days. Although I'm a bit worried that the diesel might, I don't know, melt this plastic. I suppose there's only one way to find out. Anyway, what are you guys up to? Morning lads, morning. I'm working on the Bedford CF, look. And just cleaning up in here, look at that. Do you know, it's things like that make me depressed. But then, what? Cylinder number 2's got exactly the same. Cylinder number 3, exactly the same. Well, same, but just slightly different. Cylinder number 4. So I'm guessing it's some sort of marking. But you know what? When I first cleaned that one up, I was like, oh shit. It's things like this that make me want to give up. This is why I hate engine building or working on engines. It just depresses me. But, phew, I feel much better now. It looks like it's some sort of casting. Like maybe that arrow has to point towards the front. You ever seen that before, Paul Jeffries, or anyone else that's into your engines? Interesting. I feel better now. Oh. Morning chaps, morning. How's everyone doing? I don't have to start work till 12 today, but I've got to put the MX-5 in for its MOT. And this morning, pre-breakfast task is I've had the CF cylinder head soaked in diesel for over a week now. So I'm going to whip that out, give it a bit of a clean up, chuck it in the dishwasher. Cool. See what happens. What's everybody else up to today? Exciting stuff, I hope. Here you go, one. This is one for you, Paul Jeffries. That. So this is the Bedford CF head. I'll put it in the dishwasher, gave it a good clean, and now I'm just basically decoking it and trying to sort it out. Anyway, look at the valve seats on that. My goodness. Inlets. Got some pitting as well, but certainly not as bad. Anyway. What's my options on that? Do I just need them recut? Or this being a non-unleaded head, is it possible to get hardened seats fitted? Do you have them fitted to the exhaust? You do, don't you? Not the inlet. And if so, where the hell do I get that done? Engines, relentless, isn't it? Good morning, everyone. Here we go. I'm working on the CF1 head today. So the CF2 head, I've kind of given up on that. Not given up, I'm pausing on that one. I've cleaned it, made sure, and the head definitely needs a reskim. The valve seats have also need recutting on the exhaust side. Ideally, maybe I should fit hardened valve so I can run unleaded. But that's more money than I want to spend just to get the engine running. So I've got the one off the original turbo engine here. This looks much better condition. It's not as good a head, as in the ports aren't so nice. And anyway, sorry about the noise. I'm watching Tooney driving his Cooper S. But this is what I get up to in the mornings, motor mornings. So between like 6 o'clock in the morning and 7, I try and do some work on engines, like you do. Anyway, that's today's update. Good morning, chaps. Good morning. How is everyone? Back on the old motor mornings. What a week it's going to be, isn't it? I'm kind of thinking I need to panic buy. Do I need welding gas? I don't know. Yeah, I need to check that. I also want a guy to do some TIG welding for me. Do I need to go and sort myself out before... when is it? Wednesday, is it? What's today? 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, I definitely need some welding done. Because I'm making this is not the seat that's going in the Rally Mini. This is the seat that came out of the Mini. But obviously it's all out of date, so I can't use it. So I need to buy 2 new seats. Not sure what seats I'm going to buy yet. But to mock it up, because I wasn't running 2 seats in the Rally Cross Mini. I was just this one for the driver. So I've got this one. I've got that one over there, which is one that's out of my auto grass track Mini, auto grass Mini. So anyway, between the 2 of them, I should be able to mock the seats up properly. Anyway, what's everybody else up to? What are you panic buying? YouTube choice of the morning. I do like Mini Life, I must admit, but I like to watch that on the big screen when I'm chilling out. Ooh, 7 Days of Sweat. I'll be doing that later. But I think you can't go wrong with a bit of retro power.